I'm so glad that you decided to click that join link to become a member of the Chevys R Us family. You are now one step closer to being able to do your LS swap or your LT swap as easy as it can possibly be, as inexpensively as it can possibly be. I want to offer you and I want to provide you with some extra perks to help you even more to be able to do your LT swap or LS swap. By becoming a member, I'm even going to offer you one-on-one assistance a couple of times out the month to where me and you, we can have one-on-one sessions to talk about whatever you want to talk about regarding your LT swap or your LS swap, to be able to do it as easy as it can possibly be, as inexpensively as it can possibly be. Even if you don't decide to go with the highest level of Chevys R Us membership that provides one-on-one counseling between me and you, it's still a good benefit to have. Prioritizing your comments, having early access to the videos, having access to exclusive content that nobody else has seen before. I want you to know that your LT swap or your LS swap or your car project is just as important as my project. And I take that to heart. So what you waiting on? Go ahead, click that join link and become a Chevys R Us member. So me and you, we can get to it. See y'all on Go Live Wednesday, 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. YouTube.